So again, I am Eden. I do a lot of videos about cooking, cleaning, anything that I enjoy doing. So you better subscribe so you don't miss anything. So if you do subscribe, right, you click the notification bell so you are notified every time I upload a video. Also, if you like the video, you might as well click the like button, right? And also, if you think the video is worth sharing, don't be shy. You can share it, okay? Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. So here I am again with another cooking video. So today I kind of just finished work. So just got home and then, well, what can I say? There's no food to eat yet for dinner. So, so we're gonna have to cook somehow. All right. So today our menu is pork chop. So we got this big bunch of pork chops. All right. So this pork chop has been marinated by my husband for a while, like maybe overnight, with some of these ingredients. Okay. So we got this barbecue spice, some of this, a little bit of this, and hold on a minute. Let me just grab some of this. I'm reaching too far. It's not included. So we have some pepper, of course, some salt, of course, and then some garlic powder. Some garlic powder. And then this is just the coloring of this. If you can see, look. So there's the thing that colors it a little bit. So that's that one. Okay. First of all, we're gonna put some what do you call, flour. We're gonna put some flour on the meat before we fry it. Okay. So just a decent amount of flour just to wrap it around the meat. Okay, so for now, I'm just gonna leave it like that. It's like this, you see? So I will dip like the, what do you call, the meat in here, just so I can fry it. Okay, so the plan is to fry it for at least 3 minutes on each side. Okay, so now I'm putting oil. I'm putting the oil, and then we are going to fry. So I'm gonna put on the light so you can see each other, and the exhaust fan, of course. So wait a minute. So I just washed my hands, and we're going to do like this. See? So its meat will have this. See? Are you seeing that? the pork chop is frying, I'm gonna put more of the flour on the rest of the pork. Okay. So there. 28, 27, 30. So we're only frying the pork chop 3 minutes each side. Okay. These pork chops are huge, but hopefully this is softer because some pork chops are just hard as a rock. But this one, because we're gonna cook this even around an hour on the oven, so this wouldn't be hard. Okay, so all I'm doing is just putting flour because this is already marinated. This is already have timpla, you know. Makalat. It's too much mess. But anyway, that's how you cook, right? So wait a minute. Past 3 minutes. So that's 3 minutes now. Now 3 minutes is now. So I'm going to flip the pork chop. Okay, so look, just have to have a brown color, and then see, you're able to see, right? So now this is finished. We're frying. We are going to put it here. Okay? Just so, because we are going to bake this. Okay, so there. So I got 3 already done. Now I'm gonna fry the rest. We have 6 pieces. Okay, so now it's all there. So guys, right by now you probably would be subscribing. So again, I am Eden. I do a lot of videos about cooking, cleaning, anything that I enjoy doing. So you better subscribe so you don't miss anything. So if you do subscribe, right, you click the notification bell so you are notified every time I upload a video. Also, if you like the video, you might as well click the like button, right? And also, if you think the video is worth sharing, don't be shy. You can share it, okay? So that's the story, okay? So right now, we're still in the frying process. So 3 minutes one side, 3 minutes the other side, and then we will bake it for an hour, okay? So I'll come back to you again and see what is going on after this frying business, okay? So thank you guys. So guys, so actually this is our dinner. Nobody home except me and Casper. So it's almost dinner time, at least for me. So I kind of just laughing to myself like a crazy person. But you know, it's scary out there really. So when I was trying to park my car in my driveway, I saw a paramedic truck. I mean the ambulance beside my house, and I was so scared. I said, oh my God, what's going on? From a distance I can see the ambulance lights and all, right? So I kind of scared. I said, what's going on? I know there's no one in my house. And then I realized that was the neighbor. So hopefully she's okay. So she's a nice person, nice people, beautiful people down here. So let's pray for her, okay? Hopefully she's okay. Alright guys. Anyway, our pork chop is getting brown nicely. Now, what I'm going to do now is I'm gonna set up the oven. I'm gonna put the layer a little bit higher than the usual, just so it's closer to the fire, right? So I'm gonna set that up. You see, quick preheat, and then start. So by the time this is brown, this will be starting to heat up. I like it that way because I position it like that because so the oil can go down to the pan before you eat it. So you're not eating the oil. Okay, so that's my technique. See now it's all brown. Hold on a minute, maybe the light is making it so. You see, without the light you can see it's really brown, right? That's because I need to see, because it's almost around 6:45. As you can see the time, the sunset is down this side, so the sun is right here. So forgive me for having the confusion on the lights. Anyway, we are almost done here. I would have to put this here now. So it has been browned. Yeah, that's how you do it. There. And the last one is, okay. So this way, can you see it? Hold on a minute, I'm gonna put it closer to the camera. So this is our pork chops. Okay, so we're gonna bake this for at least 60 minutes. Okay, I'm just waiting for the oven to heat up a little bit, and we will have dinner. So guys, now the oven is heat up to 350. Okay, so it's ready to put in. I'm gonna put it in now. I'm gonna go to the higher level, okay? Just here, just so it doesn't waste a lot of gas. Okay, now I'm going to set up the oven for an hour. See, now it's 59.59, so you're gonna have to see if it's cooking well. I'll check a little bit once or twice. So there is our pork chop. Okay? Now all we have to do is wait for it to cook. And then we can try it. Thanks guys. So we have 27 more minutes. So guys, it's been an hour, so I guess we can check our what do you call, our pork chops. So this is it. Ooh, look at that. It's gonna be too hot. Whoa. There. It's done. You can try it now. Take whatever is on top then. It's too big. So now guys, it's dinner time. So we are going to try the pork chop. So as you can see, that's right there. That's a big piece. I'm so hungry, so we're gonna start now. Okay, oh look at that, it's so soft. So usually we eat this with some pork, some garlic and suka, meaning vinegar, but right now I don't want that right now. So I got this ginisa flavor or something. So, right? So let's see. Oh my god. It is so good. It is so good, especially that I'm so hungry. It's already, what time is it? Almost 8 p.m. So this took a while to cook. But you see guys, it's so soft. It tastes so good. Because it was marinated overnight. Right, Casper? What? Are you hungry? Look at that good boy. waiting for his turn. I'm probably a bad influence, but I can just see him looking at my food. Poor guy. Huh? So guys, it's really good. Okay. What? So that's it for my pork chop recipe. Okay, thank you for watching, everyone.